Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can assign a handy task to the double tap or triple tap on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, we're going to tap on Settings, and in Settings, you want to go down and tap on Accessibility. Then we're going to tap on Touch. Next, go down and tap on Back Tap. And then to assign a task to double tap, you tap on that. And down the list here, select one of the tasks that you want to use. So here are the default system tasks, such as open up app switcher, control center, home, lock screen, mute, notification center, and so on. And you can also assign accessibility shortcut to the double tap as well. You can also assign scroll gestures or shortcuts. So with shortcuts, you can create your own custom shortcuts from the shortcut app right here. And then once you have created the shortcuts, you can also assign it to the double tap or triple tap. So let's say some of the shortcuts is not available in the system right here. I can create my own shortcuts and say IT Jungles here is the one that I have created for myself. And if I double tap on the back of the phone, it will open up the web page that I have created in the shortcut. And you can see it's opened up the page right there when I double tap on it. And then you can also say open the control center. For example, if I double tap, it will open the control center. So you can assign the same function to triple tap. So for triple tap, at the moment I have assigned a screenshot task to it. But you can assign anything to it that you like, such as volume down, volume up, or assistive touch. So if I tap on it 3 times, you can see assistive touch turns on. If I triple tap, it will turn off. So they are very handy, especially if you often switch features on or off. For example, one great feature that you can assign is create a shortcut to turn mobile data on or off. So whenever you want to turn off mobile data, you can triple tap to turn it on or off. And that's it, guys. That's how you can assign handy tasks to the back tap functions on your iPhone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.